Over the last 6 videos, I've been breaking down why woodworking projects fail. The missing cutting lists, the instructions that stop making sense halfway through, the plans that look complete but aren't. Today I'm going to show you exactly what I use to solve all of that. And I want to be upfront before I do. There is a link in the description. This is a review. I want you to know that going in, because the only useful review is an honest one. I've used magazines, free downloads, YouTube tutorials, paid plan packages. Most of them had the same problem I spent 6 videos describing. TedsWoodworking is the one that doesn't, and I'm going to show you specifically why. Not with marketing language, but with the exact things I told you to look for in any plan. If you've been watching this series, you already know what to look for. 3 things. Complete cutting list, instructions that don't assume, multiple views before the first cut. That's the checklist. Today I'm going to walk through TedsWoodworking and show you whether it passes, and where it does, exactly how. Let's start with the thing that kills most projects before they begin. Link is in the description if you want to follow along while I walk through it. The cutting list. In 6 videos, I described what a complete cutting list looks like. Every piece, every dimension in sequence, not an estimate, an exact list. Every plan in TedsWoodworking has one. Not most plans, every single plan. What that means in practice, you take the list to the lumberyard, you buy exactly what's on it, and you don't go back. The material you buy in the morning is the material you use that afternoon. Nothing wasted because you cut something the wrong size, nothing wasted because you bought the wrong amount. This is what I described in video 2 as the difference between $20 of wasted oak and a project that comes together the first time. Here's what that looks like inside the members area. Every piece listed, every dimension. In the sequence you'll cut them. This is exactly what a complete cutting list looks like. Not an estimate, an actual list. The second thing, and this is what most people don't know about TedsWoodworking, is the testing process. Every plan in this library was physically built in Ted's workshop before it was published, not designed and uploaded. Designed, built, tested, then published. There's a 12-person team. One group drafts the plan, a second group builds it from that draft, logging every confusing step, every measurement that's off, every moment where a beginner would get stuck. Then they redraft and rebuild until the plan is clean. The mistake that would have stopped your project at step 7, it got caught in their workshop, not yours. The confusing instruction that would have cost you a Saturday, it was rewritten before you ever saw it. That's not a marketing claim, that's a production process. 25 years, 12 craftsmen, every plan built before you see it. The mistakes stay in their workshop, not in yours. If you want to see the library for yourself, link is in the description. Browse the plans, look at the cut lists, see the schematics. Worth a look before I finish walking through this. Most plan collections are a zip file. You download it, you get hundreds of folders, and you spend Saturday afternoon looking for something that might not even be there. TedsWoodworking is a searchable, filterable library. Type Workbench, Workbench plans. Filter by beginner, beginner plans. Filter by outdoor, outdoor plans. Over 100 categories, 16,000 plus plans. You find what you need in minutes, not an afternoon. Search bar at the top. Type any project. Filter by category. Filter by skill level. The plan is here before you buy the first board. 2 things most people don't realize when they sign up. First, the library grows every month. The workshop team builds 5 to 8 new projects monthly from their live classes. Those plans go straight into your library. No extra charge. They just appear. Second, and this one is underrated, custom plan requests. You have a specific project in mind that's not in the library. Submit the request inside the members area. The team drafts it, builds it, tests it, and delivers it to your library. No extra charge. That's a 12-person workshop building a plan specifically for your project. For the woodworker who's been looking for a plan for one specific thing for years, that feature alone is worth the price of the whole package. The price. Context matters here. The standard membership is moving to $39 a month. At $39 a month for everything I just walked through, it's still worth it. But right now, on the page I've linked, lifetime access is still available as a one-time payment of $67. No monthly fees, ever. A single woodworking magazine plan costs $10 to $20. This is 16,000 tested plans, lifetime updates, and custom requests for $67 total. I don't know exactly how much longer the one-time option stays open, but as of right now, it's there. Link is in the description, goes directly to the page with the full library and current pricing. If the one-time option is still there when you get there, that's the one I'd go with. Take a look, make your own call. One more thing if you're on the fence, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. Full refund, no questions asked. 60 days is enough time to download plans, build a project or two, and know whether this works for you or not. Not just browse it, actually build something. If it doesn't work, you get your money back. Link in the description, 60-day guarantee, one-time price while it's available. That's the review. Questions about specific plans or how the library works, drop them in the comments. Next video, the fastest way to test any woodworking plan in 30 seconds before you buy a single piece of wood. One thing to check, works on any plan, not just this one. That's next.